Hi, and welcome to an Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. In this video, we are creating a very simple main menu. This menu will contain a play button and a quit game button. This can be used for various simple projects and is the basis for every menu. Let's get started. First, we will add the files that we need. So let's create a folder for our menu. Rename it to main menu. And the first thing we will add to this folder is a widget blueprint. And let's rename it to w_main menu. And the second thing that we will need is a level. And I'm going to rename it to level_main menu. Let's open our menu level. What this level will do on startup is add the widget to our screen. So go to the level blueprint. Remove the event tick because we won't need it. And from begin play, add the create widget node. The class will be our main menu widget. From the return value, add a second node called add to viewport. This action will add the widget to the player screen. Now compile and save and close this tab. Next we will create the menu itself. So open the main menu widget. And we are going to need a couple of things. The first one is the canvas panel. The canvas panel is used to create the layout for our widget. The next thing that we need is a vertical box. Drag this onto the canvas panel. With the vertical box selected, we can change the details of it. We're going to anchor it to the center, align it to 0.5 and 0.5. Reset the X and Y positions. We also need to check the size of the content box. Now our vertical box is perfectly centered to the screen. Now we are going to add a button to the vertical box, and this button will get a text. Select the button and set the padding to 5. We are also going to rename the button to button_play. Now click the text and change the text to play game. Now our first button is created. Select the button, hit Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste. With the second button selected, rename it to button_quit. And change the text of this button to quit game. Compile and save this widget and open the graph tab. We can delete the pre-construct and tick node. We won't be needing those. And from the event construct node, drag to the right and search for set input mode UI only. By doing this, we are able to click UI elements. Our new node will also need a player controller, so let's add that. And from the player controller node, drag to the right and add the set show mouse cursor node. And make sure the checkbox is set to true. Now on the left, click the play button and create a onClicked event. When we click this button, we want to set the input mode to game only. And our input mode will need the play controller. And we will make our mouse cursor invisible. The last thing this event needs is a open level by name node. Since I started with the third person template, I am going to open a third person example map. So let's copy and paste the name of the level into this node. Select the quit button and create an onClicked event. The only thing this event needs is a quit game node. Let's compile and save, and let's test our menu. Hit play. First I will check the quit game button. That works perfectly fine. And let's try the play game button. And when we hit play game, we go to the third person template where we can actually play the game. Thank you for watching this video. It would mean a lot to me if you would give this video a like and subscribe to my channel.